Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Happy birthday, Felicity.
Bida ang saya.
Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya.
Okay, so ang winner natin is ang yellow team. Now, claim your prize.
Namoy price ro yung maglakaw, namoy price. Namoy price dong dito ra sa mo dong.
Okay, asa man tong kuan mga blue team. Yes, asa to tong blue team. Wait, sa before
Namili pa.
wait, wait sa prize na ko tayo buhat. Doon. Now, okay. So, ang atong buhaton, simple na kayo. You just need to introduce yourself. Like for example, ako, Cherry Jane ko. So, my name is Cherry Jane Parato. And then my motto in life is laban lang alaksan. And then, murang padain mo. Like that. Basta rampa mo. Okay, ready? Hala naman tao, hala. Hala na nagulag eh.
Bi.
Simple naman kayo itong buhaton. Okay, isa muna, see? Okay, you just need to introduce yourself. My name is, what's your name, ma'am?
Chai.
My name is AJ. My motto in life is, same